Don't force customers to go back to cart page and to change the quantity. Let them manage products from the checkout. Sometimes customers want to change the quantity of a product or remove any product during checkout. You can easily enable this feature. First, you need to go to WordPress dashboard, then click on on-page checkout, then click on features. From here, you can manage product quantity controller on checkout. You can also enable the remove product button option from here. Now you need to click save changes. Now go to shop page and add a product. Proceed to checkout. Here you can see the quantity controller. Customers can increase or decrease product quantity. Or if you have added too many products on your checkout page and don't want to buy any of them, then you need to click the remove button. The product will be removed from your checkout option. That's how you can basically control these features.